Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Voila Norbert for faster email discovery. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Voila Norbert website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts to sign up. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard with various options available. Locate the email finder option on the main menu. Click on it to access the email discovery feature. Enter the name of the person whose email you want to find. Next, input the domain of the company they are associated with. Make sure the company domain is spelled correctly for accurate results. Click the Find Email button to initiate the search. Voila Norbert will search its database and present you with potential email addresses. Review the results, focusing on the confidence score provided for each email. A higher score indicates a higher likelihood that the email is valid. If needed, utilize the bulk email finder option for searching multiple contacts at once. Upload your list of names and company domains in the specified format. After uploading, click on the Find Emails button to process the list. Monitor the progress and wait for the results to be generated. Once completed, you'll receive downloadable results with all the found emails. Consider setting up integration with your CRM or email marketing tool for seamless data management. Explore the additional features available, such as verifying email addresses and managing your leads. Make use of the dashboard to track your searches and improve efficiency. Regularly check back for updates or new features to enhance your email discovery process. That's it for this quick tutorial on configuring Voila Norbert for faster email discovery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.